Have you ever faced these kinds of on-site issues? You can rely on Daikin's hybrid hydraulics at the heart of machinery to solve such issues. ECORICH R achieves energy efficiency, low noise, and low heat generation, solving a range of on-site issues. Furthermore, the new ECORICH R is equipped with a function for detecting hydraulic fluid degradation. 90% of hydraulic equipment failures are said to be caused by the condition of the hydraulic fluid. Continued use of the same hydraulic fluid over a long time leads to fluid degradation and contamination with metal wear parts, causing various problems such as corrosion, wear, damage, and clogging of parts. The newly installed fluid condition sensor displays the current hue value of the hydraulic fluid based on changes in its color due to degradation. When this hue value exceeds the threshold, the user is notified via the main panel or digital outputs. This allows replacement of the hydraulic fluid before an equipment failure occurs. Installing an optional communication function also enables connection to a PLC for continuous monitoring of the hue value. This allows remote planning of maintenance to replace the fluid. Preventing hydraulic equipment problems due to fluid degradation and quantifying its state with sensors ensure its proper management without relying on the operator's intuition. Using the communication function realizes integrated management of machinery and the factory, mitigating the burden of management. Daikin's hybrid hydraulics provide a solution to all your issues.